Life eventually teaches a man that the world only respects strength, not excuses, not emotions, and not empty promises. Allama Iqbal believed that a true believer never fears difficult times. He walks through darkness without losing hope. Today, most people are exhausted because they spend their lives trying to please everyone. They fear rejection, they fear criticism, and they fear walking alone. But lions never ask permission to rule the jungle. Remember this forever. Silence is not weakness. Sometimes, the quietest people carry the strongest souls. Strong men do not cry about pain every day. They turn pain into discipline, loneliness into wisdom, and failure into power. If life is hurting you right now, if people are ignoring your worth, if your heart feels tired, do not break. Because powerful men are not created in comfort. They are created through struggle, through betrayal, through loneliness, and through pain. One day, the same people who doubted you will remember your name. So stop chasing people, stop begging for attention, and stop destroying your peace to make others comfortable. Respect yourself, trust your journey, and walk through life like a fearless man. Because the moment a man truly believes in himself, the world can no longer defeat him.